Ironhide has disappeared in Shanghai. He may be damaged. We must find him immediately.
Ironhide, this is Major Lennox. What's your position? Ironhide, acknowledge. Where are you?
His transponder should be broadcasting his location. Something is wrong.
Enemy inbound. They know we're here. You'll have to fight your way in. Stay ready.
Enemy unit taking damage. Don't let up.
Assistance. I have lost mobility. Heavy.
That's Ironhide. You found him. You'll need to use your backup power cells to re-automate his mainframe.
Just in time. My reserve power was almost depleted.
Bad news. I see multiple hostiles heading your way. Before we can pull you two out, you'll have to clear the area of all Decepticons.
Good. I could use the exercise. There is nothing like a little violence to get the oil flowing.
Watch the back. Fire it, RATCHET! Fire it, so. We've lost the soldier! Decepticon wounded.
Target. Running from a fight, are you?
Help me! They've taken damage!
Thanks for the assist. After all that downtime, my joints are a bit stiff.
Heads up. More camo jobs heading your way.
Decepticons!
Go after them!
Astonishing! All you have.
Engaging Ironhide! I bet you thought this would be easy.
Fall back! Stay with Ironhide! Enemy advancing!
Thought this would be easy. Exception.
You make quite a team. Maybe you'll get through this after all. Weapons ready. Hostiles heading in.
Eliminate them all!
That's how it's gotta be. Decepticon hit. Don't let up. This is getting good now.
My power level is dropping. Another enemy eliminated.
You are eliminated.
Impressive. Looks like you've been watching me fight.
Multiple bogies moving in.
Watch the back.
If you want to survive, stay together. We are a team, remember? Let's fight.
Target neutralized. Decepticons hit. Don't let up.
Not running from a fight, are you?
Watch yourselves. Target neutralized. Decepticon wounded.
Targets inbound. Decepticons. Stay close.
Engaging fire. You thought this would be easy.
Fall back. Stay with Ironhide.
Decepticon wounded.
Heads up, this isn't over.
If you want to survive, stay together. We are a team, remember? Let's fight.
Ratchet, you are to be eliminated.
That's the last of them. You cleared the area. The Nest team is inbound for pickup. Mission accomplished, gentlemen.
No gentlemen here, Major. Only Autobots.
Ratchet, is Ironhide cleared for duty?
I have had a complete overhaul, Prime. I'm ready for anything.
Another hour in Shanghai and you'd have been ready for recycling. You'd be sheet metal by now.
Hardly as useful as his present form. Well done, Autobots.
I've noticed something. In battle, we keep missing things, like secondary goals.
B is correct. We are not being thorough. This must change.
You have decimated the Decepticon ranks.